Sawadika, my name is Angie Amelinda. I'm from Centennial College. I'm the regional representative from Thailand and I'm from Indonesia. Centennial College is located in Toronto. Toronto is the largest city in Canada. It has the most population, the center for business, for banking, entertainment, and there's also where a lot of jobs and a lot of activity happening in Canada. It's the #1 city when it comes to Canadian population. The program, we have offered a lot of programs from diploma, graduate certificate, degree, and fast track program. So we have program in business, hospitality, design, animation, health program. We have engineering, transportation. We have from software engineering and artificial intelligence down to aerospace and aviation as well. If you have any interest about studying in Canada, if you want to go to Toronto, experience the Toronto life, please ask Pacific Premier. They are very experienced and they can help you with the application, admission, and how to live in Toronto as well as the arrangement there. And they can help you any question about Centennial College as well.